Dub. Hello, everyone, and welcome. This is Silver Cobalt from the Chill Zone. Have you installed Audacity? No? Well, this isn't for you. Go away. Shoot, unless you really like watching tutorials or something. I guess this can be for you, okay? So, let's get started. This is the first of, hopefully, many to come. I'm only gonna go over some of the basics of, I guess, little tips on your Audacity to get recordings and good recordings and do this and that and whatnot. I don't know. This is jumble. I have not thought this out at all whatsoever. Okay, let's get into it then. Ha. Okay, this is Audacity. So, when you first open Audacity, you want to make sure, not when you first open, but when you have Audacity, okay? You want to make sure its settings match your settings. So let's go to Edit, Preferences. And by your settings, I mean your sound settings. So let's make sure everything's good. See, that's your we don't need that. We don't need that. Okay, you tell me what you want later, though. Please. Okay, see, there's your quality. You want this to match your sound settings. So go down to this little, that little speaker thing down, all the way down in the right corner here. Right-click it. Go to your recording devices. To the samplings for recording, So we want to go in there. You want to go into your main recording device, your microphone, your thingy. It depends on what you use. I don't fucking know what you use. So let's go to properties and let's go to advanced. See, this advanced this is taken up because I have an interface or some shit. I don't know. I usually don't check these, but yeah, that's up to you. But yeah, see, this is a 2-channel, 24-bit, 4 100 hertz, and yeah, I need to match that. But look, I already have it matched. 4 100 hertz, 24-bit. Yay. Okay. Yes. Good. That's matched. And these are for what you want. If you don't have the best computer, you probably want to go low quality for conversion and whatnot, because it'll make it go faster and it'll give less kinks in it and stuff. I guess it'll make it so it doesn't glitch around so much. This is your devices. It tells it what to do. You don't mind this, I guess. You can tell it what to use, but I usually just go here, because usually there should be this bar for everyone. There should be this bar right here that tells you. You can switch your sound driver that you're using. It only gives you limited options pretty much. You can switch your device that you're using, and you switch a channel. Remember, if you have just a microphone, usually you only want to do one channel, because if you have one microphone, unless you specifically know it's a stereo microphone, then make sure it's on mono, because it only records in mono. There's no reason to record it in stereo. I mean, if there's only one track, why record it in stereo? And this is your playback. This tells you where to play it back. I have my playback and my microphone set to the same thing because I have interface, and it's my interface and whatnot. Don't worry about these. Just use like MME or direct MME. Just use MME, okay? So let's show you some of the basic functioning of how to edit with Audacity, okay? So all these things are really weird, but we can show you some of the quickest little things about them. Okay, let's record something then. A little tiny conversation of different voices. Okay, something small like, hey, what's the weather like? It's kind of cloudy, but it looks like it's clearing up. Okay, let's see. I'll use a low voice and a high voice for this. Let's try it.
Hey, excuse me, can you tell me what the weather's like right now?
Oh, of course, it looks kind of cloudy, but, I think it's gonna clear up.
Okay, but that was stupid, but good for example. Okay, let's give it a listen.
Hey, excuse me,
So let's go with the first thing. Oh, also, if you're playing, and you press this pause thing right here, you can't edit it, because you can't edit it. You can highlight things, but you can't edit it because you're just pausing it. You need to stop it before you can edit. You need to stop it. Right now I'm on the selection tool, or the line tool, the selection tool thingy. It allows you to select areas and stuff. You can also use this when you go to the edges. You can pull up, pull in, pull out, pull in, pull out, pull in, pull out, pull in, pull out, pull in, pull out. That's good. Okay, so now we're just gonna cut off this because this is preliminary. I'm just gonna go here where this starts. I'm gonna cut that out. If you click on these things, it'll zoom them in. Don't zoom them in. You don't want to zoom those in. But you can go down here. You can, I guess you can use the magnifying glass tool to zoom in, but we don't need that yet. All right. Yes. We're also gonna get rid of the end parts because the end part. Oh, Control Z will bring that back, by the way. And that's good. Also, so this is just quick. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Effect and Normalize, because the Normalize tool will just bring your entire audio sample to level. I usually make that like 0.02 or something. That usually is good. Negative 0.02. That's usually good. Okay. There. Now I brought my sample to level. Let's give it a new listen.
Excuse me, can you tell me what the weather's like right now?
Oh, of course, it looks kind of cloudy, but, I think it's gonna clear up.
Okay, so there's a really big space here, and we want it to sound like a conversation, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave that part right there, and what we're gonna do even further is just so we can overlap them maybe a little bit. We're gonna go to File. No, we're gonna go Edit. And we're gonna go to Remove Special. No, is that it? Right? Yes. Okay. And we are going to trim audio. There it is. Control T. I don't know the control things. She want to split it. Oh, that didn't work. Oh well. We cut them together by using the highlighting the area, pressing delete. So
Excuse me, can you tell me what the weather's like right now?
Oh, of course, it looks kind of cloudy, but, I think it's gonna clear up.
I guess that's pretty good. Another thing you can do, just quick, is you can use the built-in. I don't know if everyone has this, but you can built-in limiter. Right here, there's a limiter. Limiters are nice. You just put it in. You tell it how many decibels. Usually, 4 is good. 6 to 4. I usually I'll set it to like 450 or something. Negative 4.5, and hold to like, I don't know, 30. And then it's usually good. I usually use soft limit. I don't like using hard limit. Soft limit. And then, just probably make up again. No. And press OK. Look at this. It levels everything out more. And then I can go to Effect. And I can go back up to Normalize. And where's the Normalize thing at again? I'm bad at looking for things. I just know what they do. And then I can use that, and look, it's level now.
Excuse me, can you tell me what the weather's like right now?
Oh, of course, it looks kind of cloudy, but, I think it's gonna clear up.
See? Good. Now you know that. So let's go over like a couple of these tools here. See, this is the envelope tool. It allows you to edit the volume of different parts of it by clicking, you click, it adds a point. You click, it adds another point. And then boom, look at that. Look at that. It lets you edit the different parts of the audio like that. Raising and lowering. So what you want to do if you're doing this kind of thing, the best thing to do is to make this, use the limiter and get this as level as possible, and you normalize it, and then you can edit the different volumes like that. Like make it really weird, because I'm weird and you don't need to worry about it.
Excuse me, can you tell me what the weather's like right now?
Oh, of course, it looks kind of cloudy, but, I think it's gonna clear up.
See, it looked like they were just saying, turn their heads or something, I guess. Making up excuses here. But yeah, that's the envelope tool. I'm just gonna bump, Control Z, Control Z. Okay. This is the, what is this? The draw tool. Probably works the same way, I'm guessing. Oh. Okay, that's zoom. Don't worry about the draw tool. You're not going to use that. This is the zoom tool. This allows you to zoom in. Zoom in. Zoom in. Zoom in. Right click to zoom out. Oh, never mind. Right click to zoom out. Zoom out. zoom out, zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. Okay, there you go. You know how to use the zoom tool now. This is the time shift tool. Basically what it does is this. Moves the sample. It's very useful actually. It's actually very useful. Very useful tool. Very useful. And this is the multi-tool. I never use the multi-tool because I don't really have a use for multi-tool. Basically it's just like all these things in one kinda. You can I guess it looks like you can use that for the multi-shift, and then you can do all that here in one thing. So if if like you're really advanced and you just want to use everything, you don't want to have to go through the hassle switching tools, then do that. Then you're good. Go over things. Up here you can see like if you're trying to match audio, like look right here.
Can you tell
That
me
tells you your
what the
playback
weather's
volume. And that's a good way to tell. It's your playback volume up there. This is your input volume. So start monitoring and it will tell you like how loud your microphone is and stuff. Remember, if you're recording, make sure to be around here, this area right here, like 18 to 9. That's usually a good area. I try to stay in this area because then you get a little bit louder and then you're not quite clipping. You're good. You don't want to clip. Don't clip. Clipping's bad. Bad. Don't clip. Okay. And these are just these are like simple tools. These are like to do the stuff like the undo and the redo. I don't use this ever. Yeah, pretty much fit project. Good resizing. Basics of Audacity. This jumbled mess. Yes. Thank you for joining me today. I will see you next time. Maybe where I cover different things. Yes. No. Probably. I want to teach you things. I will teach you. I will learn you. Please, thank you. If you learned something and you enjoyed the content, please smash that like button and leave a comment down below. Subscribe. Maybe you want more, maybe you don't. Tell me what you want. Tell me things you want to learn to edit. This is all I know. These are all the things I know. I'm not funny.